Friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up to talk about a topic that is the fear of being judged by people. So why this fear arises? That what people are going to think about us, or what people are going to say about our actions, about the things we are doing, about what we want to do in life. So why our actions would be defined by people, what people would say, what others are doing. So why do we have to do or work accordingly? So this is something we are in a society where we the persons people who value the society, it's from very long time that we have to value society. This is something we have learned from our parents, from our grandparents, that they used to value acquaintances, people in the society, what people are saying. So this is something they have learned from their childhood. It's of course not their mistake that they did. It's something they have learned, they have groomed with, so of course they will work with those things. But as we have to see that now the time has changed, people have changed, because in early time people, whatever people would say, would do, would have some value in their task, in their words. So right now, at this moment, if we look at the society, so in the society everyone is detached from everyone. So now it has become that it's our own life, we have to decide. If someone is taunting, if someone is judging that this person is not good, this person is not bad, or this way, if they start to judge, let them just do it. And why do we care about that? It's because we are insecure inside, we want attention from people, we want acknowledgement from people. The reason behind this is that we are not satisfied with ourselves. In fact, we don't know what is something to be satisfied with oneself. Well, I'll make a video on that someday, because this is very much empowering and one needs to get empowered by this kind of talks. So I am here doing these videos. So this fear of being judged by people, so how to overcome this fear? We have to understand that what people are saying is not our task to listen, or is not our job to listen. It's something that we have to see what is better for ourselves in our life, or what is good for ourselves in our life. So well, some persons I have seen, it's my own experiences, or maybe you people also have seen some people out there, they would show themselves up, they are so much upgraded, they are so much transformed, they are so much just they are so much eligible for everything. When you start to question something, if the questions level of your questions are ahead of their reach or their standard, they start to show the attitude that they don't care, or they never care what's going on, what's going on in the world, or what people are thinking. Basically, if these people are not thinking, if these people are not attention seekers, so why they are on social media, why they are showing their life? It's something they are seeking attention, and when they get the attention they feel they deserve or they have expected from people, they start to show their hollowness. This is a kind of hollow attitude. This is something happens also. Well, I am talking about, the main thing is that we should not bother about what people are saying. When we are true to ourselves, when we are not inviting people in our lives, still they are judging ourselves, we should not think about all of that. We should rather focus on our abilities, focus on our qualities, on how we can deal with things, or how we can deal with life. What is our quality, what is our talent? We should rather nurture our life, rather being involved with the society, or rather being thinking that what people are going to say. So this is very common thing that we have to understand, because we everyone, even somewhere I also face some kind of judgment from people, that why do you do this, why do you do that, this is what the trend is, this is what not the trend is, and maybe you should do this way, you should that way. So I have to, where there I can say that this is what I am comfortable with, this is what I can think about. So this is how I present myself. This is the limit. These are my limits. So one has to have that confidence to talk about these things. One has to have that self esteem. Creating confidence, creating self esteem. I have created videos. You can go and check my channel, Life Solutions by Shantini. You will get how to make yourself confident, how to make yourself more responsible. So these are the things that you have to work on your life to make yourself confident, so that you don't care about that what people are judging. If I say just that don't care people what they are saying or what they're judging, that won't also make you more eligible for anything. So you have to change yourself within yourself. You have to bring the courage, you have to bring the confidence, you have to create your self esteem, you have to create your personality, that you become a self dependent person, self earning person. So you don't, so no one can question you. If someone is questioning you, you should have that ability or understanding power to answer that person. And it's not that something when someone is questioning you that why you are doing this, and you just be rude and give a hollow attitude that I don't care these people and I would do this, and I don't care whoever what they think or what's going on in this world. So this is just a rude attitude. This is not something showing a positive attitude. This is a hollowness. This shows that you are illiterate. This shows that you are not a person who can talk properly. So this kind of attitude should be avoided. Instead, you have to build your courage. You have to make yourself worth to live a life, to make a career. And when you are confident, when you are true to yourself and true to others in the world, you can build any career you want in your life. And once you are true with your vision, with your mission, or with your attitudes, you can achieve anything in life, and you can answer people that this is something you're good at and this is what you want to do in your life. So this is how you can deal with the fear of being judged by people, because people are there, they would judge you. So you have to answer them politely with certain strong words that would never hurt them but make them understand that this is your eligibility. So thank you friends. Hope this was helpful to you. I have given you a clear guide about how to deal with this fear of being judged, because I myself also have gone through such situations and I have learned a lot through life, which I am sharing today with you all on my videos. Thank you friends. Love you all. Bye bye.